Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Target exclusive Flying Customs Mix 2. I want to give a huge shout out to a local buddy for helping me complete this set. You can always check out my video of Mix 1 in the link in the description below. The cars in the set are the 74 Torino, the Mini Cooper S Challenge, the Boulevard Bruiser, the Volkswagen Caddy, the 2015 Ford Mustang GT, the 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X, the custom V8 Vega, and the 67 Chevy C10. So the first car is a 74 Torino. On the card it says Flying Customs and then the car. So this car is a bronze color with the orange and yellow and black all on the hood. Then the gold rims. The orange, yellow, and black right here. Junimai designed this, and this was a convention car in 2008. So next up is a Mini Cooper S Challenge. So this car is yellow, then number 1, then some blue plastic around the base. Of course, the rims. Number 1 again here, then it says Goodyear on both sides right here. The white, light blue, and then dark blue. This is a pretty weird color scheme. This car's been made a few times and was designed by Kevin Cow. So the next car is a Boulevard Bruiser. So this car is red, the number 20 in red right here. Then all the blue and then the tan stripes, red rims. Then the blue right here on the hood. Then some stripes. 20 again, and then Hot Wheels on both sides. And this is a pretty cool car in my opinion. Larry Wood designed this car, and we see this a lot in fantasy character mixes. So next up is a Volkswagen Caddy. This truck is a dark green, then light green right here, and some black, and black on the hood. And interesting for yellow interior, and the bed is yellow too. A skateboard in the bed too. And this is probably the truck that everyone wants from the set. And it says Volkswagen on the back. This truck has been made several times and was a red edition in 2019. So the next car is a 2015 Ford Mustang GT. So this car is gray, then the blue and red stripe, gold rims again, nothing on the hood or on the top, but then it has blue windows, but then of course the cool backlights. This was designed by Ryu Sada and was a Super in 2018 with the Borla Tampos. So the next car is a 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X. This car is purple. Then again, yellow interior, green, yellow, and white stripes, and then just regular silver rims. Then 180 SX right here. A lot of people like this casting, and we last saw this in the Street Tuner set. now we have the custom V8 Vega. So this car is white, then the black, red, and orange stripes on the side, gold rims, no tampos on the hood though, red interior, then the backlights. And I do wish there was some more detailing maybe on the top. Maybe like the same color scheme. This car was first made in 2009, and we saw this in the Cool Classic set in 2013. So the last car is a 67 Chevy C10. So this car is a dark blue, then the orange and yellow on the hood, and then on the side too, it says Chevrolet, Hot Wheels, regular rims. And this and the Volkswagen Caddy is the thing that most people want from this set. Then the silver bed. We last saw this car as a Target Red Edition, and a lot of collectors also love this casting. My favorite car from this set is a Ford Mustang. This is a really cool car in my opinion, just I really wish there was some more colors on it. But then in second would definitely be this. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this Target exclusive Flying Customs Mix 2.